One of the assets that you hold, Martin, is Standard Chartered. In fact, you're one of the biggest shareholders in Standard Chartered. There is talk this morning that we could see mergers in European banking, Asian banking, Standard Chartered and Barclays. As you walk the halls of the event you're at the moment, is there a sense that the European financial services industry needs to make some significant changes if it's going to compete on a global stage?
Yeah, I mean, I suppose looking at it from the asset management sector before we discuss the banking sector, certainly there has been a movement out to the middle ground. You either want to be small or big, hence the merger between Aberdeen and Standard Life and Janus Henderson. So whether that applies to banking is interesting. I've just been on a panel with the chairmans of BBVA, BNP, and Santander. And yes, I think that there is a feeling that the sector needs to be larger, certainly against the very large U.S. banks that dominate investment banking globally now, and look as if they're going to continue to do so.
As a holder of Standard Chartered, and I'm just kind of using this as an example, would you support? You're a big asset manager. You have skin in the game here. Would you support such a move?
I mean, I've just heard the rumours as you have. I suppose I'd be slightly surprised after they've sold that Barclays had sold off their African operations, mainly for capital reasons. So we need to understand much more if indeed there was even any substance to these rumours before we would give an opinion on or be supportive of it. Look, we think Bill Winters is doing a good job at StanChart. We think Jez Staley's doing a good job at Barclays. I think they both have a bit of work to do just to get their own return on equities up. Now, whether a merger helps that or not is something that we'd obviously like to hear if they were even, as I said, even if there was any substance to these remarks, to these rumours.